I am super excited to share this new kit with you. It is a guide to the Cúrate cookbook. I get asked a lot about how to best approach the recipes in that book, and so I created this kit that includes a combination of some of my favorite Cúrate at home items as well as the book and how to use it. Let's open it up. When I first wrote the Cúrate cookbook, the goal was to take the restaurant recipes from Cúrate Bar de Tapas and convert them into home cooking recipes so that you can cook the gambas al ajillo or the setas al jerez, which are sauteed mushrooms with sherry, or pan con tomate, or the super iconic fried eggplant with rosemary and honey at home. And that's what this book does. Years later, what I realized that I really wanted to do is to create a deeper guide, personally from me, on how to cook with this book. So that's what the kit's all about. Let's talk about all the incredible ingredients in this kit. First up, flaky finishing salt, sal de Añana. This is my favorite salt ever, and it goes on everything. You put a little bit after finishing almost every single dish, and it makes the food sing. Like tortilla española or something like that, just like a little bit of flaky salt is the difference between good tortilla española and great tortilla española. So everyone needs flaky salt in their kitchen. Next, 2 olive oils, extra virgin olive oils, 100% Arbequina olive oil and 100% Picual. And the reason that I'm putting 2 in the kit is because they're totally different and not all extra virgin olive oil is the same. I use the Arbequina when I make alioli and I want a softer, more mild extra virgin olive oil. It's got a lot of flavor, but it doesn't have the sharp, spicy bite at the end. Whereas the Picual does have that wonderful kind of vibrancy, that comes through. So I use the Picual as a finishing oil on pan con tomate, but the alioli is going to be made with Arbequina. And finally, I have a spice collaboration kit from our good friends at Spicewalla. We've got the Cúrate Pincho Moruno rub, and in the kit I've written a shortcut for using this rub with the Pincho Moruno marinade recipe in the book so that you can make those marinated lamb, chicken, pork skewers faster. There's Pimentón. Okay, this is a staple. It's in almost every single recipe in the book. Smoked Spanish paprika. You'll use it everywhere. And then also the Nora chili flakes. When I wrote the book, I left Nora peppers out of a lot of the recipes, and I substituted arbol chili peppers because they were easier to find. But I really love the flavor of the Nora chili flakes, so I wanted to include this so that you can substitute Nora for the arbols in the book, maybe add a splash of cayenne to get the same heat level. And then also, Nora peppers are traditionally in romesco sauce. When I wrote the book, I left that ingredient out of the romesco sauce recipe, but now you can make it the traditional way and add these back in. That's it. When you do make something at home from the Cúrate cookbook, please tag me at Chef Katie Button and the hashtag Cúrate cookbook, because I would love to see what you make.